What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is
So hi, today I'm here with
Anita.
Anita. You're looking good today.
Thank you.
Tell us your tribe.
I'm Igbo. I'm from Enugu State.
Nice. So what's your favorite food?
I'm quite picky, so I just like few things. But my favorite is like spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Yeah, I love pasta.
You're a YouTuber, right?
Yeah.
How long have you been doing YouTube?
I started like few months. I just wanted to like document my, I'm that person that just make videos and just leave them on my gallery.
Okay.
But I just wanted to like put myself out there and also keep it as, memories.
Yeah. What's your channel handle?
Anita's POV.
Anita's POV.
Yeah.
What advice do you have to like small creators that are just starting out on YouTube, like yourself?
Well, I'm also a small creator, so I'll just be consistent, be real, do what you love, just like they told us today, right? Just do what you love doing and be consistent with it, be true to yourself. Yeah, I think that's all.
Hi, today I'm here with
Hannah.
Can you please tell me your tribe?
Oh, I'm from Benue.
Benue State. Wow. What's your favorite food?
Noodles. Noodles.
Okay, noodles. So do you have an advice to like people starting out on YouTube?
Okay, well, think it's just consistency.
Okay.
Be consistent, show up every day. You find your crowd. Bye.
So hi, today I'm here with
Missing.
Can you please give me an advice for upcoming YouTubers just starting out on YouTube?
So this advice I'm going to give to viewers,
You can still
but I'll give it to my upcoming self so that I'll be able to get it right too. So what the advice I'm going to give to the upcoming YouTuber like me is we should focus on our niche and try to bring what we have in us. It's going to be of benefit to everyone who is interested in our kind of niche. So that's the purpose of YouTube actually, to help growing us, like people that want to learn from people that already know. So I think the advice I'm going to say is we should focus on our niche.
Okay.
And we should put it out there for people that are interested to learn from. Yeah. Actually, I'm a photographer.
Wow, that's nice. With photography.
Yeah, so I want to like put out there what I know.
Okay.
Yeah, for people to be able to learn from.
So what's your favorite food?
My favorite food,
Yeah.
is it intercontinental or normal, anyone?
Tribal, anyone.
Okay, amala and iriduye. Okay, right.
So hi, today I'm here with
Miss Precious Aikomo.
Please tell us your tribe.
I'm Esa.
Esa.
Benin.
Benin City.
Yes, Benin City.
Yo, what's your favorite food?
I think that should be fried plantain.
Fried plantain.
Yes.
Just fried plantain.
With egg.
Egg sauce.
Yes.
Crazy. What advice do you have to like small creators just starting out on YouTube?
The most general advice I would give is do not give up. But then another advice I would want them to take in personally is find something that nobody else is doing and build a niche in that.
Wow.
Yes, we need more diverse creators, not just a particular trend.
Today I'm here with
Onyinye.
Can you please give an advice to like smaller creators trying to grow their YouTube channel?
No matter what people say to discourage you, like just keep pushing.
Can you tell me your favorite food?
I don't have a favorite food. I eat everything, and I'm open to like eating things I have not tried
Seen
before.
before.
Yeah, I like exploring food.
Today I'm here with
I'm Margaret
What tribe are you from?
from Delta State.
The other say. Wow, my tribe. What's your favorite food?
Food. Amala.
Amala and Ewedu.
Yes. Abi, you want me to say Alfredo pasta?
What advice do you have to like small creators just starting out on YouTube?
I believe that being a creator is not something that should be associated with being small, because being a creator in itself is that you've taken your mind on a journey. So you are already in the process of becoming already. So it's not, I don't associate it with being small. But what I want to say is you can be resilient, because the policies in Africa does not favor creators as it were for now. But you have to be resilient, collaborate to do big things. Small things in big ways. So yes, you have to be resilient and you have to collaborate a lot to achieve great things.
Today I'm here with
My name is Funke.
Can you please tell us your tribe?
My tribe is Yoruba. I'm Yoruba.
Yoruba?
Yeah.
Nice. What is your favorite food?
Spag, jollof spag.
Spaghetti?
Yeah.
So you like noodles?
Yeah, I like noodles, yeah.
Okay. What advice do you have like to small creators starting out on YouTube?
Yeah, they should keep doing what they are doing. Consistency pays, and just do what you know how to do best.
Today I'm here with.
Constance Felix.
Please, can you give an advice to like upcoming creators that are trying to build their YouTube channels?
Just start. There's no time for you to say that you are ready. It's just about you starting whenever you have decided or deem it fit to start. So just start it, and then along the line you would meet with your fellow creators too, and then along the way it's going to come out easier.
So, can you tell me your favorite food? What tribe first?
Igbo.
Wow, nice. Can you tell me your favorite food?
Yam, be it fried, boiled with egg sauce as.
Today I'm here with.
Enemona.
What tribe are you from?
I'm from Kogi State. I'm Igala by tribe.
Igala? Wow. What's your favorite food?
Yam and egg sauce. Boiled yam and egg sauce.
Yam and egg sauce?
Morning, afternoon, evening. All the time.
Okay. What advice do you have like for small creators just starting out on YouTube?
Just start. And also it's very important to have like your thing, because like the social media space right now is getting saturated with people doing like same thing. So it's very good that before you start you figure out like a niche. But most importantly, just start. Okay. Yeah, just start.
Hi, today I'm here with.
Kispa from IBN KQ, Initiative for Bright Minds Knowledge Propagation.
What advice do you give to upcoming YouTubers trying to grow a channel?
YouTube is out there. Yeah, the platform is out there. You know, just like any other social media.
Okay.
Which need creativity, which need content.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think focus up more on their creativity.
Okay.
Yeah. Focus more on your creativity. What do you have to offer? What is your niche? Yeah, I think that's what they should focus on, because the platform is there for everybody.
What's your favorite food?
I love rice. Indeed. Lord.
Today I'm here with.
Nate's Genius is the popular name, but the real name is Nathaniel Joshua Oguche.
Can you tell me your tribe? Where are you from?
I'm from Benue State, Amidoma.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pounded yam and egusi soup.
What advice would you give to a YouTuber just starting out on YouTube?
If you're just starting up on YouTube, first of all, you must have done a lot of background check. You must have done a lot of learning. You must have done a lot of study to understand how other people have done it before you come in. Don't just open a YouTube channel because you feel like you want to do a YouTube channel. Make sure that you learn. Education is very key. Learn about how people have done it before, people that have been there before you, and then start, right? You don't have to wait to have the best cameras, the most expensive cameras. You can use your phone to start a YouTube channel. You can literally use your phone to start getting a lot of views on YouTube, and then you can now grow to start getting cameras to improve the quality of your film.
So hi, today I'm here with.
Bella Victor.
What tribe are you from?
I'm from Benue State. I'm Idoma.
That's nice. So what's your favorite food?
Favorite food is okra. Okra, yes.
Okra and any swallow.
And any swallow, exactly.
Any swallow. What advice do you have like for small creators growing on YouTube?
Be consistent. Growth takes time, so just be consistent.
Consistent.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And the people that leave good comments, I hope you find $100 in the street while you're walking today, because that is such a good feeling when you find money on the floor, right? Yeah. God bless you.